push this out.
You know, it's times like that.
This is new.
It's supposed to be one thing.
I would love to have Rosetta Stone. Well, you know, they have a new improved version now, which is linked up to the internet, and you do talk to other people.
But I'm sitting here, like, you know, I'm sitting at a bench, and I'm reading my book, and I'm looking at this car, and it's going, it stops right in front of you, you know, it's a flower, and it's on the door.
And I know you have these whole grain baguette, half baguettes. Some of them have sweetness in those, no? Or some of them.
Small coffee.
Give me in one bag a multi-grain, the cranberry and the plain one. And then in another bag, 2 plain ones.
That's really what they can study. Potato. White peas.
That's one bag. And then the other bag has that bread. Okay, that's
Like that one.